be cook ginisang kangkong. Kangkong. I will teach you how to cook the ginisang kangkong. Okay, come and watch me how cook the ginisang kangkong. This is the kangkong. I cut it into pieces. The kangkong. This is the kangkong. This is the kangkong leaves. This is the kangkong leaves. I will cook ginisang kangkong, or mostly known as adobong kangkong. Now we're gonna saute the onion and the garlic. Garlic, see that? Just saute a little bit. It and put the stem of the kangkong first before the leaves. See the sound? That's very nice. Next, we're gonna put the kangkong leaves. There, the kangkong leaves, and saute it all, mix it all together. See, just mix it well. All the kangkong stem and the kangkong leaves. If you see the kangkong look like that, then you're gonna put the seasoning. All over. And for me, I use magic sarap. Then mix it well. And now we're gonna add the soy sauce. Soy sauce, just a little bit soy sauce. Okay. Soy sauce to make our ginisang kangkong or adobong kangkong taste better. And now we're gonna put our water to our kangkong. Just a little bit water so that it will going to be sinabawang kangkong. Now I'm gonna be put a little bit salt. A little bit salt to taste it better. And then our kangkong, ginisang kangkong is ready to cook. Grabe ang salt. It's like and now our ginisang kangkong is already cooked. See? It's already cooked. And it's ready to serve. Here the kangkong, the ginisa or adobong kangkong is ready to serve. Come and join me to eat my ginisang kangkong. Now let's eat. Join us to eat our ginisang kangkong.
Oh no. My favorite taco.
And I will use my hands to eat the kangkong. Let's eat our kangkong. See my children eating the vegetable kangkong. Kangkong. Very, very good. Especially this stem. Very crunchy. See?
yummy.
So yummy. Especially this one. This is very crunchy. Very yummy.